Hi, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Anthony of Revolutionary Jam, and it's the 12th of April 2008. Quick economics lesson today. This week, the Bank of England has cut interest rates to 5% in an attempt to counter the effects of what's being called the global credit crunch on housing markets. In essence, what this is meant to do is help people pay back their mortgages, but I think that there's a lack of general understanding on what the other effects of this are going to be. I want you to understand that cutting interest rates has been a major contributing factor to the fall in value of the American dollar, which we've been observing over the last months. The American Federal Reserve, as well as printing more money, which is known to cause inflation, keeps on slashing interest rates as well. This encourages people to take out bank loans, which floods the economy with more money, which isn't actually secured to anything and is just typed into people's account by a computer out of thin air, which of course causes the value of the money to go down. If you want to understand how the money is created like this, I highly recommend you watch the video Money is Debt, which I'll put a link to in the sidebar. Inflation always hits the middle and lower class worst because whoever gets to spend the money first, i.e. the bankers issuing it, does so when it's at its highest value. Lending people money they don't have is a really dangerous way of avoiding a recession. Those people will have to pay that money back one day, and with interest. Call me a conspiracy theorist, but I think that's the whole point. Now, while I don't feel like market forces are the best judge of a number of things, one thing I feel very strongly is that interest rates should be determined entirely by market forces. In my opinion, the Fed and the Bank of England should just butt out of these issues because it just ends up causing more problems than it solves. Please watch my video entitled Federal Reserve Cuts on Interest Rates Sell Off America to understand a few more of the consequences of this for our nation. Thanks very much for listening.